Let's talk about a stock that has listed on the bourses today and bumper listing of sorts coming in for Cello World. It listed with a premium of about 29%. We're now joined by Pradeep Rathod, who's the CMD, as well as Atul Parolia, who's the CFO at Cello World. A very good morning to both of you gentlemen. And firstly, congratulations for that listing on the bourses. And Pradeep, let me actually kickstart this conversation with you. If you look at the revenue CAGR for FY21-23 is at around 30% or so. Do you expect this sort of a run rate or revenue growth rate to continue going ahead as well for Cello World?
So we are just wanting to perform as what we have performed in the last 3-4 years, and going forward our glassware unit which is coming in Rajasthan, which also will give an extra revenue to the company. So overall it looks really good to grow from here. Our product lines are also expanding, and I think so we'll grow at the pace what we were growing over the last 3-4 years.
Hello gentlemen, this is Shrishti also joining in. Firstly, congratulations on a good set of listing. But Atul, coming to you, the houseware and the glassware segment is a high margin segment and accounts to 65% of your revenue. Will this be the main focus area going forward as well?
See, what we have planned to focus on all the three categories actually where we are, and apart from that, definitely our consumer houseware will grow faster, even writing instrument will grow faster. So little bit, maybe 2-3% here and there will be the change actually, which you will find later on.
Right. Let's talk about the wide range of portfolio that you all are present in. You all are present in the houseware, glassware segment, writing instruments, furniture, as well as allied products as well. So if you could tell us about the demand trends that you are at least witnessing across your portfolio, across your businesses, how's the demand looking like right now?
No, the demand for the last 1 or 2 quarters was not that robust, but the companies performed well. And overall, I think so on this kind of products, the way India's economy is flourishing and the rural area demands are coming, in all the products what we are, I think so, I hope there will be a good demand over the next 3 to 5 years continuously. And that's what we are planning to, and upscale our production to meet the demand at the right time.
Okay, Atul, just wanted to know that how do you see your margin shaping up going ahead? What is the outlook on the RM cost and what are the sustainable level of your margins? Because from FY23 to 21, we have seen around a 250 basis point cut coming in, but in Q1, there was indeed a recovery. So going ahead, any guidance on the sustainable levels of the margins we can expect?
See, raw material price at present is very soft actually, and we feel that at least in next 1 or 2 quarters it will remain so. And accordingly, since the raw material prices are in our favor, so definitely our gross profit margin has improved actually accordingly.
All right, let's talk some more about your performance of the company. If you look at the ROC, it's much better than the peers. If you could tell us what exactly is contributing to that sort of an uptick, and as well as is this sustainable? Is the level of your ROC sustainable?
See, the major reason is actually our bottom line, which is you'll find that always it is a better and it's a very sound actually, and that has always given us an advantage to garner a ROC of around 44%. Even in future actually we find that it will be very good, and definitely it will be above the peers.
Okay, and lastly, Pradeep, if we see your exports, that has seen a mild downtick from FY23, that's seen a contribution of 7.8% versus FY22, 9.3% contribution coming in from exports. So going ahead, what is the outlook on the exports? Are you planning to expand more into new geographies, and how should we expect to see the contribution in your top line?
The export, I think so, is at the similar level of growth what we had last year, and I do not think it will shrink to anything, but it will grow, because some of the segments we were not even exporting because we didn't have the capacity. So for us, definitely it looks on the growth side.
Okay, Pradeep and Atul, with this, we'll let you go on that. Thank you so much for joining us today on ET Now. Once again, congratulations on a good listing and looking forward for more.